Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for a viewing of a scene from the 90s TV show Coach. Mill Creek Entertainment is where I got my DVD from, and I own the DVD. We have it paused right now with Christine coming right in the door. And this is an episode where Coach has trouble snoring. So let's get right into the episode. Ready, set, begin.
Hey, Luther. Hi, Dauber. Dauber, could I talk to Hayden alone for a few minutes?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. What?
You look a little worn out. Are you getting enough sleep?
Okay, Doc. Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry.
What's the matter, honey?
Nothing. In fact, I think everything is going to be fine from now on.
What do you mean?
You were absolutely right this morning.
Yeah? Oh, I love hearing that.
But I did a little research, and it turns out there are millions of people who snore at night. That is why they invented this.
Tennis ball?
One of the most effective cures for snoring.
Well, what am I supposed to do with this?
Well, I read that most snorers snore when they're on their backs. So we put this tennis ball underneath your pajamas, and then it makes it uncomfortable for you when you roll onto your back.
So putting a ball in my back's going to cure me from snoring?
Hopefully. But if it doesn't,
Oh, God.
this is a cervical pillow. It cradles your neck and changes the angle of your head.
So a new angle to my head and a ball in my back? Boy. Let's go to bed early tonight.
These are nasal strips. You tape the sides of your nose, and they hold your nostrils open wider.
Oh. You say, I don't want my nostrils open wider. Something may fly in there.
One of these should work, but in case they don't, we can always use this.
What the hell's that?
This is a little anti-snoring device. Here, just give me your wrist. Just put it on your wrist, like that, and then put these on your two fingers.
This little thing's going to keep me from snoring?
I hope so.
Well, how does it work?
Well, it's sound activated. It reacts to any loud noise, like a snore.
So what happens when I snore?
It trains you not to snore anymore.
How?
With negative reinforcement.
How?
In a very gentle way.
How?
It's a very gentle electrical shock.
A gentle electrical shock?
It only runs on a battery.
Well, so does the string. Ow! 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 Don't say anything till I get this off. Nothing. None of your business.
Well, tell me, what is it?
It's personal.
Christine and I are having a little problem here. That's all. We're working it out.
Oh, it's one of those marital.
No.
How does it work?
No, hey. It's a device to keep you from snoring.
You're a snorer? I didn't know that. Yeah, now that's a coincidence.
What?
I've had a little problem in bed myself. I get a little loud.
We're talking about snoring here, right?
Yeah. I agree with that. It's been great about it. I think it's really starting to irritate.
Luther, you should try some of these things. They're supposed to be very effective.
Maybe they will. How much are they?
Altogether about $90.
Let me know how they work.
Hmm.